And there's the after. I bet you guys thought I forgot, didn't you? No, I didn't. These guys have been soaking away since I put them in here. And guess what? Look at them. Do you see any stains left? I don't. Now that's the plate that really had the stains. Isn't that amazing, guys? It actually got all the stains out of these plates. Yep. Including those salt and pepper shakers. They're almost completely clear. I've had them in the sun over there by the door, and they've actually come clean. Now there was the bottom portion of that plate. You can see how it cleaned that right out, took the stain right out of that. And again, the plate here. So with the magic of, I guess you could say, YouTube TV. So here are the results of our experiment. If you notice, the stains are now gone. There's no more staining on this platter. And this platter here that had that little divot right here, that one's gone. And even all the way through, remember it had that spot in the back. See, there it is right there. That's where it was stained. And look at that. Got it completely cleaned out. It works. How cool is that? Isn't that neat? It really does work. You just have to have patience. That's the most important ingredient here, is patience. Letting them soak, putting them aside in a an area out of the way, so that they can do their thing. Now, if you remember, I had those salt and pepper shaker caps that were also doing their thing. Well, those are also these were dark yellow. And look at how clear they came out. They came out beautiful. That's a peace palm there on the floor. I just moved it from my table. It was a gift that somebody had sent me. I just put it down there temporarily in case you're wondering, what is that? That's what that is. But these salt and pepper shakers will be for sale. And you have nice clean tops to go with them. Yeah. So I'm glad you guys were able to enjoy this little experiment with me. At least I hope it was enjoyable. And if I find any more, plates or dishes or whatever that are crazed or stained or whatever, we'll do another experiment like this and see how they come out. So there you are. So I appreciate you guys tuning in and watching this segment, and let me know if you've tried this, if you've had any success. And remember, again, when you use the hydrogen peroxide, it has to be professional strength. It has to be at least 12%. You got to be patient. And remember not to let the hydrogen peroxide sit not only in your clothing, but also on your skin. You can get a chemical burn, so you got to rinse that off right away. So if you move the plates around, slosh it around in the bucket or whatever, make sure that you always wash your hands immediately, because as soon as you get them wet with peroxide that strong, it can do a job and stain your skin. So with that, guys, I bid you adieu. Until next time, thank you for watching. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'd gratefully appreciate it. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. It does help me grow my channel and gets these videos out to other folks so that they can pick up some tips as well. And just as a little side note, before we go, I wanted to show you, I'm also soaking another item here. You guys probably saw me thrift this. I think I showed this in a thrift haul. Well, this platter here, not a platter, it's actually a pie plate with that 1930s, 40s motif on it, which eventually I'm going to sell, but it had also some staining right in here. You can probably see a little bit of it there. as well as around the edges. See the edges? See how they're a little bit brown? So I decided to do the same treatment with this guy. So we will also check it out and see what happens here with him. And hopefully he'll come out nice and clean as well. So another experiment, so stay tuned.